Hi everyone, today we're going to discuss about the table 17A. What about this table? What's the specialty? The specialty is not, and this is the gauge, which is G at the top one is one leg, longer shorter side, and coming to longer side G1 and G2 with respect to both. And when it comes to table 1, we had leg 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and a half, 3, 2 and a half, 2, 3, 1, 3 by 4, 1, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 8, 1, 1 by 4, 1, 1. And G and G1 and G2. Let's. I just want you to remember this one because most of the interviews they might ask you to remember. They might give you problems on this, so you can remember. So I make you to remember this with simple calculations, which I'm gonna text in this color. What is this? I don't know, some more green, light green color like that. Okay, let's do it. And let me tell you how to remember G1 and G2. And G is the shorter leg, and G1 and G2 are longer leg, both to center bolt dial. And now I'm going to calculate this 1 plus 1 by 2. Let's take 8, and I want G value. Yeah. Let's divide this 8. 8 by 4. Sorry. 8 by 2 into half. That is equal to 4. Yeah? And then this is 4. For these 4, we're going to add plus 1 by 2. And then G, I'm going to take G value now. G value. G value. And G is my G value. Plus of that is equal to 4 1 by 2. Yeah. And now let's go to this 7 value. 7. 7 by 2 is equal to 3 1 by 2 plus, we're going to add now 1 by 2, and that gives rise to 4. Yeah. In place of 7, the G value is 4. You got it now? And when it comes to 6, just add similarly 6 by 2 is equal to 3. And now add, as we did earlier, which gives 3 1 by 2. Here you can observe. Now fifth one. This one we're gonna get 5 by 2 equal to 2 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3. Yeah, 3. And when it comes to 4, up to 5 we're gonna get longer leg, and we can get G1 and G2. When it comes to shorter leg, after in coming to 4 starting, we're not going to get those shorter legs. Yeah. So 1 by 2 equal to 2 1 by 2. Yeah, that's what you're gonna get. And from 3 onwards, after 4 completing 4, from 3 onwards you can observe 1 plus 1 by 2 going to decrease into of like plus 1 by 4 in 3 by 2 in coming to 3 after 4. Okay, now let's go to 3. I just explaining you how to remember this table. That's it. You can remember blindfoldedly. You can by heart. This one is impossible. I mean, by taking these values, little bit you can remember, or exactly you can remember. That's what I found from this. And now 3. So sorry, this is not 3. This is from 3. You're gonna get 3 1 by 2. And now this is 3 1 by 2. Yeah, we're gonna get 3 1 by 2. Everything is off. Everything is off. Okay, by 2. Okay, you're gonna get confused. I'm gonna get into brackets. Yeah, and off. I 1 by 3 means just keep it into off means 1 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into off 1 by 4 means 1 1 by 2. Let's take into bracket plus 1 by 4. What we're going to get from this is 1 3 by 4. Yeah, 3 by 4. And as I said earlier, we should add plus 1 by 4 from 3 and off. Okay, just remember this. From 8, from starting 8, we're gonna add plus 1 by 2 in short leg G, and we're gonna get up to 4. And from 3 onwards, 3 and a half onwards, we're gonna get into decimal, sorry, to fractions like that. So we're gonna convert, we're gonna get into off 1 by 2 by 2 means 1 by 4. And coming to this from 2 1 by 2, we're gonna get into off 1 by 4 by 2 means 1 by 8 like that. Similarly, from 1 by 8, we're gonna get similarly every value except these similar value. We're gonna get this one similarly. Okay, let's do this one. I'm gonna explain you what something else. 1 by 4, and you can see clearly 1 each, just capture SI. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 1 only now. 1 plus 1 means that's 2 inch. That's it. And when coming to 3, when coming to 3, we want to get 3 by 2 and 1 1 by, sorry, 1 1 by 2 equal to, yeah, I'm getting off 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2 I'm gonna add 1 by 4. Yeah, 1 by 4 equal to 1 3 by 4. Yeah, just add this one, you're gonna get really 2. This one is 2. I use another. Okay, this is this one. And when coming to into 2 1 by 2, we should add exactly plus 1 by 8 means plus 1 by 8 from 2 onwards. Yeah, from 3 onwards should add 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay, and 2 1 by 2 gives rise to 2 1 by 2 by 2. Yeah, that's equal to 1 by 4. We want to get add 1 by 8. Yeah, 1, just calculate aside. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, how much? 3 by 8. 1 3 by 8. Yeah, you can see the value 1 3 by 8. Yeah, I'm gonna get. And when coming to 2, it's not, sorry guys, I couldn't zoom in, so we can compromise with this. This is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means is 1 only now. 1. And with this one, we're gonna add 1 by 8. Don't forget this one, okay? 1, 1 by 8. And you can see this value, yeah? You can see this value. And now 1, 3 by 4. That gives to 1, sorry, 1, 3 by 4 by 2 equal to of 1 by 4 and 3 by 8, means 7 by 8. Yeah, 7 by 8 plus, sorry, plus 1 by 8. You already know this value, that's 1. Yeah, you can see here 1. And now 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 by 2 equal to, we, we turn it into off, means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 means 3 by 5, 3 by 4. Yeah, plus 1 by 8. This we're gonna get a value of 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. Yeah, 7 by 8. I got the value 7 by 8. When coming to this value 1 3 by 4, we should blindly remember this. Why? Because 1 by 2 we can get extended 3 by 8, 4 by 8. Yeah, 4 by 8, 3 by 8. It is almost similar. Only we're gonna remember is after 1 by 2, after getting 1 7 by 8, we should remember this binary. This value should be 1 3 1 3 by 8. Okay, let's do it. How is going to react? 1 3 by 8. Yeah, equal to how much you want to get? 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and then okay, I want to write it in decimals only. So sorry, fractions only. Plus 1 by 2 plus 8 by 16. Yeah, and plus 1 by 8. That gives 8 plus 3 plus 2 by 16. Yeah, 2 5 13 by 16. If you want to convert this one 13 by 16 into like into of, we're gonna get like this, much almost 600 of by 8. uh, Instead of just writing 600 by 8, we're gonna simply write 7 by 8, yeah, which is similar to 8, yeah. That's why you can divide it also, no problem. And comes to 1 by 4 equal to, do this one as well. Plus 1 equal to 6 by 8 and 3 by 4, yeah. I'm going at 3 by 4 only. And when comes to 1 equal to 1 by 2, and that's equal to 1 by 2 only. I am changing. Okay, let's do 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. And how much we're going to get? 4 by 8 and 5 by 8. And lastly, we got the answer to in G. Yeah, I hope you got this value. And let me explain you this G1 and G2 value also. How I'm going to explain, just remember. In G1 and G2, from flange, see, you can see from flanges G1 and G2, and what the extra bit of this, I couldn't write this one, sorry, from bolt, last bolt to edge of this leg. This I'm gonna minus. This I had kept, I did minus 2 as I kept this one, and 1 minus 1. This is not 1 minus 1, is 1 1 1 1 means gauge 2 and gauge 1, from descending order. I just write gauge 2 gauge 1 like that. Okay, I think you understood this one, and let's go into problem. Okay, with the text, this is G G1 on G2. It's too late, I think so. Okay, G1. Sorry, is everything was okay now? Okay. Now I'm texting G1. G1. What's value? 8 value. And firstly, I'm gonna divide with minus 2. Sorry, I'm subtracting minus 2. Minus 2. That equal to, sorry, 8 minus 2. That equal to 6. And this 6 is divided into 2 equal halves. That means that is 3 on 3. This is G1, G2 and G1. I'm telling in descending order, okay? From bottom to top, I'm saying. You can get 3, 3, okay? And that's similar, that's why we just confused. I'm gonna tell this one. 7 minus minus 1 1 by 4, yeah, that's equal to how much? 6 5 5 3 by 4, yeah. And we're gonna divide it into 2 equal halves, yeah. How we're gonna divide this one into 2 equal halves? One is 3 and another is 2 1 by 2. Actually, the below table is we should subtract from this. Yeah, 1 1. We should minus this one. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I couldn't get this one. We should not divide with minus 2. We should divide this one into two equal halves. That means that means 8. Yeah, 8 is divided into two equal halves. Yeah, 4. Um, do difference symbol. Yeah, 4 4. Yeah, and this 4 4 is minus minus like minus 1 minus 1. Yeah, 3 3. Yeah, we got. And when coming to 7, 7 minus 1. Sorry, 7 is divided into 3 equal halves now. 3 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2. That's and 3 1 by 2 is divided as minus 1. This 3 1 by 2 is divided is minus 1 by 2. Yeah, here you can see clearly. For first one, I'm going to divide this one into 2 and minus 1 1 1. I'm going to decrease this one. And coming to seventh one, 3 1 by 2 3 1 by 2. For this one 1 3 4 minus so 3. Yeah, 3 1 by 2 minus 1 means 2 1 by 2. And when coming to off and coming to this one 6 3 3. Yeah, in 3 3 I just divided this one 2 1 by 2 and this one minus 4 1 by 2. Yeah, got this, nearly got it, but I'm confused. Really confused. 3 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This size 2. 2 1 by 2 2 1 by 4 and 6 1. And G 2 is gonna get a higher value mostly, but it's a zigzag. Yeah. Okay. In 61 we're gonna divide it into two equal halves. Yeah. 3 3. In 3 3 I'm gonna minus 1 minus it into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. For clarity on this. Just remember 1 1 we're gonna decrease from this one. I'm going to off this on this one. I'm gonna get everything is confusing now. Make it confuse. 7 3 1 by 2. That's it. 3 1 by 2. That gives us to minus 1. Just give minus 1. On the other hand, you just give minus 1 by 2. And we're going to get 2 1 by 2 3. Yeah? I'm going to 3 by 4, 1 by 2. And when coming to 6 to 5, coming to 5, just reverse it. Okay, 3, 1 by 4, sorry, 3 by 4. And 3 minus 1 by 4 means 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That's it. And coming to 5, this is the last one. Just reverse it. Okay. Firstly is 1 1, and second one is 1 1 by 2, and third one is 3 by 4 1 by 2. I can remember this one easily. 2 1 by 2, 2 1 by 2, and this minus this one with reverse order. 1 by 2 comes to this one, 2 by 4, and we're going to get 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2. And this one 2 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 means 1 1 by 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4. Yeah, that's it. That's it, my explanation. Thanks for watching. And if you are get bored of this, sorry. I will make a next video with clear and clarity voice and many things. Thanks for watching. Signing off. So.